Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you what my 2-year-old son ate in a day. In fact, not just him, but we all ate in a day. So my son, myself and my 4-year-old daughter. I always make one meal for all of us and nothing special for kids. So let's get started with breakfast, lunch, evening snack and dinner recipes. Also, if you like such videos, please give this video a like and subscribe to Mom and Me. So let's get started. For breakfast, I made crispy masala idli. My son loves the crunchiness when I roast the idlis this way, so do give this recipe a try. First, I will take idli batter and add little water and salt to it and make one huge idli or dhokla. I sometimes blend few veggies like capsicum, beetroot and carrots and add it to the batter instead of just plain water to add some little additional nutrition. But today I am only adding plain water. Now I will put batter in dhokla plate and put it in the steamer. Then I will cut this huge idli into small pieces before roasting them. To roast the idli, I will take a non-stick pan, add little oil to it, add mustard seeds and let it crackle. Once they crackle, I will add hing and curry leaves and immediately add idli cubes. Now roast idlis on both sides on medium flame so that they turn golden brown. I actually like to turn them with hand so that I make sure that each and every side is turning golden brown and crunchy. Add masalas like turmeric powder, cumin and coriander powder, black salt and little chaat masala. I like to use black salt as much as I can for my toddlers because it is more healthier than white salt. So yummy and crunchy masala idli is ready. You can serve it either with dahi or yogurt, even coconut chutney, but my kids love it just the way it is, so I'm only serving it with fruits, strawberries today. For lunch today, I'm making broccoli stir fry. To make the stir fry, first I'm going to steam some broccoli and carrots. I have got one full floret of broccoli and 2 carrots here. I will only steam it for 5 minutes in a steamer so that they are little soft but still crunchy, as I will again be cooking it later when I'm stir frying other veggies. I have also taken other veggies like half onion, a quarter capsicum, handful of chopped coriander and 2 cloves of chopped garlic. Next I will take a pan and I will add olive oil, to which I will add chopped garlic. Garlic for around 30 seconds and then add onions. Cook again for a minute or two on high flame, then add other veggies, capsicum, broccoli and carrots. I will also add salt at this stage as it helps soften the vegetables faster. Cook for a few minutes and then I will add pre-cooked rice and mix it well. I have taken 1 cup rice and I have added 2 cups of water and microwaved it for 18 minutes. Well, it depends on your microwave how long it takes. I usually keep 18 to 20 minutes in the microwave and then drain the excess water. Now I will also add crushed black pepper for some additional flavor. Simple yet very healthy and flavorful broccoli stir fry is ready. Both my kids love this rice and pick and eat all the broccolis as it's nicely caramelized yet very soft and little crunchy at the same time. I highly recommend to give this recipe try at least once, and I'm sure your toddlers are gonna love it. If they love broccoli, my kids, they love broccoli and they simply ask for this stir fry every now and then. Evening snack, I'm making quick bread pizza. It literally takes like 5 minutes and it's super healthy as I am using 7 grains or multigrain bread here. So to a slice of bread, I will apply some store-bought pasta sauce, not too much, just a thin layer. Now I will sprinkle some Italian seasoning and some oregano, top it with mozzarella cheese and grill it in the oven till cheese melts. My kids love Italian herb seasoning, so I'm sprinkling a little bit more on the top, and this bread pizza is like a treat for them. The kind of bread you choose makes bread pizza healthy or unhealthy. If you take white bread, it's definitely not as nutritional as if you take 7 grains or multigrain or wholemeal bread, so choose wisely. Whenever kids eat bread pizza in the evening, I have observed they are not as hungry at dinner time. So I decided to keep dinner simple and make aloo parathas. Everyone has their own way of making aloo parathas. Even I have tried many versions, and this is the only version that my kids really like. So I thought I really want to share it with you guys in case your kids start liking aloo parathas if they don't. Here I have taken 4 boiled potatoes, to which I will add 1 spoon paste of coriander, mint and green chili. I have taken 4 stems of coriander, 3 to 4 mint leaves and 1 small green chili. I have also added salt and now mixing the potato filling. Here I have made soft dough by adding salt and carom seeds or ajwain to it. Now I'll make parathas and butter on top while aloo paratha is still hot. I will serve this with turmeric milk. It increases kids' immunity, especially in winter months, and it really takes about a minute to make. So here I have a cup of milk. I'm going to microwave it, and once it's a little warm, I will add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric. Already have a video on my channel where I have shared 8 natural flavored milk for kids and toddlers. I will link it in the description box in case you have missed it. And I have shown many recipes like anjeer milk, which is fig's milk, or saffron milk, milk powder milk, homemade milk powder recipe also I've shared. So in case you have missed it, I will link it in the description box below and also in the cards up here. Hope you found new ideas in this video and helpful tips as well. If so, please give this video a like and subscribe to Mom and Me for more toddler meal ideas. I do 1 or 2 video at least a month, so you may want to check out my playlist for toddler meal ideas as well. And until then, I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.